Hello and welcome back to Can Performance. In this very special episode, we are working on an Audi A3 HV. This car is in for a front splitter, side skirts, rear diffuser, spoiler extension, window tints, rear light tints and a few other bits. We've got very limited time, so we're going to quickly crack on with the car. I'm going to show you the car, how it looks before, and then once the parts are fitted, so you get to see the transformation of the actual vehicle. We need to get this out of the way as soon as possible, as we have a BMW X6M for the carbon conversion. So we're going to quickly crack on. Let's have a look how the car looks. Right, so we have finally completed the car and it has taken a lot of time. It was hard work for sure. The last thing to go on is the gloss black Audi badge. So I'm going to quickly put this on the vehicle, take the car off the ramp, outside the unit, so we can show you guys how the car sits with the new kits. Just looking at it, it looks absolutely amazing, mental. So yeah, let's quickly take the car out of the unit and have a look. that was the complete transformation of this car. If you would like to get similar look, all the parts that we have used in this install will be available in the description below. The car has now been collected, and therefore thank you very much for watching this video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.